Alright, hi guys. So, the reason why I have not been uploading is for a couple reasons. One, I've been lazy, and two, I have 4 videos I haven't uploaded. 2 update videos, episode 5's crime count, and another reaction to Emergence. Somebody else doing Emergence crime count. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna re-record the episode 5 crime count. Because that's been too long. But also, yeah. So update, Christmas has been going good. Actually, I have made a video of going through all my gifts. Haven't done it for the 27th one, but I figure since I got like 4 or 5 gifts for the 27th, and today I'm actually gonna, on the 31st, I'm actually gonna get some more gifts. So that's one of my gifts that I got on the 27th. Sorry, my cord fell. So I'm gonna combine those gifts, and I'll just say it. So, anyways, yeah, everything's been going good. It's just Christmas too, and laziness, and I will try to get episode 5 done. Okay. And one last thing, I already said like 10 billion times. The theories. This one I'm gonna do. This is my final decision. I'm gonna basically about Sin and the Absolute Solver. I'm gonna count them right now as one thing. Okay? For 2 reasons. One, I just want to get the confusion. Like, I just don't want really any big confusion. And 2, when I do the recount, I would actually know, we would probably know the answer to it. So that's good. So I'm just going to keep it as Absolute Solver / Sin. So it's basically thinking both of their crimes together. So yeah, everything has been going good. Yesterday actually, one of my cousin's families actually came. It was pretty nice. And on the 2nd, another part of my cousin's family is gonna come. It's gonna be really cool. And before I actually recorded this, he wanted me to open up something. Oh, that does actually remind me. I also have another video I haven't recorded. I actually had a video of a GoPro. I actually got a GoPro, if you can see. The light might be too blinding, but I got a GoPro actually right here charging, and a green screen. I also got a green screen. So spoilers, obviously, but yeah. Hold on, guys. Sorry, guys. So they actually wanted me to do this. They got me a microphone to plug in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unbox it, and then maybe at the end of the video I'm gonna show you how it's gonna work and the difference. So let's open this up. So I think this is gonna be how I'm gonna open stuff up. So see how to open this. Oh, no tape. Weird. Ooh. User's guide. I'll make sure to read that. Styrofoam. The cord. And then the microphone. Hi, guys. And another... Oh, and the stand, probably. And then nothing under here, right? Okay. Let's put that to the side. Alright. So I'm going to look at the user manual. They actually have a cover for the USB. That's pretty weird, but okay. So I'm going to look at the user guide. So... Sorry. So, wait, whoa. Hold on. What? Hold on. Sorry. I think I opened it weird. Is it supposed to be like... Oh, I get it. I was reading it like this, but it's actually like this. It's 3. Hold on. So if I read it like that... I don't get it. How do I read this? Important notice. So, I'm guessing it's here. No, they have pages. Okay, here. Oh, that worried me for a second. Okay. Yeah, pages. Okay. Keep the volume all the way down when plugging the mic in the USB port and gradually turn up the volume for perfect effect during use. So volume control, so volume up is turned clockwise, volume down is turned counterclockwise, and mute is, okay, so turning clockwise. Okay. Then the front of the microphone should be facing the sound source. A volume nod indicates the front of the microphone. No matter how you adjust the angle or position of the mic, make sure the front is pointing at your mouth in order to activate the best pickup sound. Okay. The front, I can obviously see the front. Duh. This is the stand, I think. Okay. So if necessary, just the microphone angle with the pixel movement thumb to, okay. Please. It says PLS for please, not, oh my god. Okay. Please swing the microphone counterclockwise. Swing the microphone clockwise to cause the bracket to break. Use the pivot mount to adjust its movements. Okay. Let's open this up. So this is the stand. So I hope I don't break it immediately. That would be really bad. So we got the stand. Okay. So I'm going to look at the picture really carefully. Phone counterclockwise. Okay. So if I have it in this form, and it said counterclockwise. So this, I'm confused. Okay. I'm doing it like this. So hopefully I don't break it. Am I doing it right? Something seems off. There's no... Okay. So, I think we're good. Let's... I gotta move my computer back. Sorry if I'm quiet, but... So this is probably how I'm gonna be talking, right? Yeah. So this is how I'm gonna be talking, I guess. So... I wonder how that's gonna work, but... Okay. Please wait a few seconds when first time operating. Oh, you know what? I should probably do that. There you go. Sensing. Yeah. Microphone takes time to automate. So there may be no pop-up window message though. Speed different USB or Java installs again. For installation, you can test the mic by sticking to it. If the mic picks up no sound, please follow the procedures below. Okay. So now we are going to hopefully be the last thing, because I don't want to see what happens if it picks up no sound. So, I wonder if I'm going to get a lot of views. I might just update videos because I haven't uploaded in a while. Okay, what is going on with... Does it want me to... Okay, that is weird. Okay, seriously, this zip tie is like weird. Okay, now... Okay. Yay. Okay. Just take this cover off. Is there a... Alright, here we go. Is that default? Let's try this. Is it working? Is this working? Hello? This might actually be it. If you look at properties. Okay. I'm looking at the audio. I need to change the audio. Cause it's not, there you go. Let's just put that to 100. Maybe that'll work. Hello? Okay. Drumroll please. Does it work now? Yay, it works. Okay. I got it to work. I don't know how it sounds, but as you can see, this is my normal voice talking, and it's like that, so I'll turn that down. If I can find the... Is that in there? Nope. 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 Oh great, I'm gonna have to go back. Recording. Here we go. Alright. Properties. Go to levels. Let's go back to 80. Does this work? Guys, does this work? Okay. I think we're good. So, I'll probably cut a lot of stuff out. So, hey, I got a new microphone. It's going to be right here. This is really nice. And thank you for giving me this. One of my cousin's parents. Thank you. So, I'm going to be using this from now on. So, thank you for watching my stuff. See ya.